morning, guys. Welcome to my 392 out here. This is where I'm located, right here. Bob Howard, Chrysler Dodge Ram, right here. And I'm gonna get in and film some trucks. I haven't filmed trucks in a while. Let's get some trucks on this channel. It's been a while since I put some trucks on here. They got the new trucks way over there. I might get them later. It's kind of chilly out here, so I don't want to stay here too long. Plus, there's ice everywhere. I gotta be careful walking around these trucks. There's ice out here. I still don't want to be falling down, hurting myself. All right. Ram. GMC. That lady got a 40. She got a Glock 40 on her. That lady over there. Careful, boys. Check it out. People don't know, I know a lot about weapons. I used to work in the, when I was in the Army, I worked in the armory. So yeah. So that tells you a lot about me. I worked in the armory for 10 years, my whole career. United States Army. My favorite weapon got to be the 50 cal. Least favorite, the law. Yeah, sure, I'll show you what's out there, guys. It is cold out here, brothers and sisters. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up right here. Here, let me give me a thumbnail shot or something. Yeah, right here. It's Uncle Mike 392. I'll see you guys on the other side. Later.